Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab Indian style. First, choose fresh, lively crabs for the best flavor and texture. Next, clean them meticulously by removing the gills, mouth parts, and any internal organs. This step is crucial for a clean taste. Finally, gently crack the crab shells. This allows the rich Indian spices to infuse deeply into the meat, creating an incredibly flavorful dish. Now, let's create the heart of our Indian crab dish, the masala. Begin by gathering your aromatic spices, including turmeric, red chili powder, and a good quality garam masala. In a pan, sauté finely chopped onions, fresh ginger, and garlic until they turn a beautiful golden brown and release their fragrant aroma. Then, blend ripe tomatoes with your chosen spices to form a smooth, rich curry paste. This paste will be the foundation of our delicious sauce. With our masala ready, it's time to cook the curry. Add the aromatic masala paste to a hot pan and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil separates. Next, introduce the cleaned and cracked crabs, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated with the rich spice mixture. Pour in a small amount of water or coconut milk, then cover and simmer until the crab meat is tender and fully cooked, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. Your incredible Indian-style crab curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro leaves for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this delightful dish hot with fluffy steamed basmati rice or warm, soft Indian bread like naan or roti, perfect for soaking up every drop of that rich sauce. It's a truly satisfying meal. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, remember to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.